kami sa shore. Ayun yung camera.
Ay, sorry.
Sana, doon.
Oo. Doon ka sa ano. Bitahon mo yung bag mo. Tapos yung bag mo din na yan.
Ay, nanay siya.
Ikaw magpi-play?
Hi guys! So right now, we are here at Shore 3. And by the way, my name is Jess and I'm with SMPC as a manager property investment. So, yeah, here. Ngayon, nandito tayo between Shore 3 and Sail Residences. So, both areas malapit sa Mall of Asia. Walking distance about 10 to 15 minutes. Depende sa, sa bilis ng lakad nyo. So, if let's say you're looking for RFO unit, RFO ready for occupancy, dito po tayo sa Shore 3. Marami kaming mga ready to move in unit. Pero kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali, ito, si Sail Residences, under construction pa siya. Pre-selling unit pa. So, yun. Depende yun sa preference nyo. And both areas naman malapit sa NAIA, yung mga City of Dreams, yung Entertainment City. Tapos mayroong casino, Okada, Soler. Ayun. And I think ayun lang. By the way, my name is Jen again. I'm with SMBC as a manager property for investment. So yeah, thank you for watching.